we're still in Kuala Lumpur, and today we're finally gonna see the Petronas Towers. But first, so we're here in Bukit Bintang, it's near where we're staying. So you have like these streets, colorful streets with street art. It is cool to see, but I would say if you're not staying in the neighborhood like us, it's not really worth coming all the way for it. I guess I expected a little bit more from it, but it's cool to see if you're around. And from here now we're gonna walk towards the KLCC park to roam around a bit, see the park and also see the Petronas Towers from far away. So we will take you along. Roll, what do I have behind me?
So we are right now at the Petronas Tower, more precisely in the park below it, where you get a really good view of the towers, and yeah, also the bridge which is in between, like the famous bridge that you can walk along between the towers. It's pretty cool to see. And yeah, the iconic Petronas Towers, Twin Towers. Amazing.
So right now we're in the KLCC park, right next to the Petronas Towers, from where you have a beautiful view. We're gonna try to find the best viewpoint. And yeah, of course there is like a little bit of a lake going on with fountains, and we just found a piece where it seems that people are actually swimming. You can swim in this. We're downstairs at the entrance booth for the Petronas Towers. So if you do your research, you'll read online that they say you should really book your tickets up front. And okay, we thought up front that nobody said anything specific. So we watched like a few days up front, I would say. And we came to the constatation that these tickets for the Petronas Towers are sold out like 2 weeks, almost to a month sometimes, and up front. So we're like, okay, screwed, we can't see the Petronas Towers. But we did see, I think it was in the Google reviews, that sometimes you can just come here and for certain slots there's still like a few tickets available. So that's exactly what we now did. After the park we came here, and for 3:30 today there were still 30 tickets, so we got them. The weather doesn't seem so promising, so yeah, we will see if we get lucky or not. At least we're still able to visit. Entrance tickets are like $20 per person, so it's a bit expensive, but I saw the ones online like on Viator and all, like the skip the line or whatever, they go from 40 up. So, and that we didn't want to do. There were still a few available for once in a while, but so yeah, if you're in the same position as us, we would say just come here, and yeah, maybe you're lucky to still get some tickets for an open slot. And we're at the bridge that connects both the towers, so let's check it out. We only have 10 minutes and then you have to leave, so it's all very strict and procedure-like.
Yeah. Also, we're 170 meters, they said, above the ground right now. And the bridge is purely for visitors, so basically for all tourists.
So we're group black.
So right now at the moment on top of the Petronas Towers, on the observation deck, and it's quite a process actually.
Yeah, it's a procedure.
You have to get like a certain color, for example, and it's like I think 20 people per color. And yeah, on the top you only have 15 minutes basically, with on the bridge I think 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And here like 15 minutes right now. And yeah, it is.
It goes really quickly. It's really time slots of 30 minutes, like the ones you book, so it goes very fast. And yeah, you're very high. It's the tallest twin tower, so it's pretty cool to say you've been on it. In my opinion, like it is 20 euros, and I'm like a bit in doubt if it's full on worth it.
It's just that you can say that you've been like on here.
Yeah.
The view is like from any other kind of tower, of course. You're gonna see like a lot of things here. I guess the KL tower might be better because of the view on the Petronas Tower.
Yeah.
Towers.
So we will still do that one. We don't know when, but we still have it on the agenda.
And they said that it's all office floors, so all the rooms are offices basically, and there's nothing like a restaurant in here. There's no hotels, like no rooms that you can rent or anything like that. It's pure offices in both towers.
Yeah, I was checking out. From here you can really see well the architecture because you're very close to the other tower. And it's a pretty cool view because in the background you can also see the Menara, the KL tower. It's really raining now. The weather here in Kuala Lumpur at the moment, so we're beginning of April, right? It's so, yeah, you can't foresee really what's gonna happen. It's so unpredictable. Look at that.
Yeah, we're contemplating if we wanted to go up still the KL tower there in the back, but we might do that then now for noon or something like that once. And as you can see, it doesn't even focus anymore. There it is.
But we've been keeping an eye on the weather every night now since we've been here, and every day it's been like this in the afternoon, and it gets milky. You've seen the views from our like rooftop where we have the pool, and it's still cool to see, but yeah, I don't think we can see much then in the distance from there. So yeah, we're gonna play it safe. This is the skybox that you can go in for pictures. That's how it looks like, and it's with a glass floor. So we're gonna go next. We're waiting in line.
So we're here at the KL Tower and we just did the skybox, and you have to be super fast. So the people, they give you like really a minute, not even, because they're gonna start the timer beforehand. So you don't really get enough time to take any pictures. They don't like. There's like 3 people standing. None of them want to take a selfie of you. They don't take any pictures of you whatsoever. There's like a photographer who just does it for money. So yep, it's not ideal. Let's put it.
And you have exactly a minute, and it's with a timer. So you see the time slipping by, and we had to put our stuff still away. So and it's already ticking. So in total we had like 30 seconds.
You really feel like cattle there, and the fact is that nobody wants to take a picture of you is ridiculous. Like just like 3 guys standing there, nobody taking a selfie or helping or anything. So not really worth the money. So in our opinion, skybox big. Bleh. So this is the skybox, and there you have like a minute, not even, like 30 seconds, 40 seconds. And as you can tell, these guys are just standing around, not doing anything, so don't expect anything from those people. And from here you can really see our apartment with the pool on the 52nd floor it is. And from there we usually have an amazing view on the KL Tower, but also on the Petronas. So that's where we usually hang out, in that corner. Hilarious. That's exactly our place.
We decided after all to still make it for sunset after we came from the Petronas Towers and the Surya shopping mall.
The weather looked good, so we decided to come here for sunset, which is happening right now, so getting darker, also a lot more milkier. Like the weather is always so unpredictable here, but in the evenings it always gets so milky and white, just very much in the distance. So yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, maybe in hindsight, I don't know. I would, depending on the year, the time of the year you're coming, I would maybe advise to go during the day. Like I said, we hoped to catch it all, like the daylight, sunset. But yeah, the views are very, it's open. So the deck we're on is open, which is nice. You don't have glass limiting you.
Yeah, but if you take the sky deck ticket, so there's like 3 different tickets, I think. You can take them all at once. So there's observation deck, which we still have to go to. The sky deck, which we are right now at. So the sky deck is actually open, and there you can also get an add-on, which is the sky box, which we did earlier. So
which we showed you.
There's 2 of them, like on opposite sides, basically. So what do we think of the towers here in Kuala Lumpur? We did the Petronas and the KL Tower right now. What do we think?
Yeah, so if we have to pick a favorite amongst the 2, we would rather pick this one, the KL Tower, because first of all, it's a limited time, kind of. You can spend as much time as you like, because on the Petronas Towers, like we showed you, it's very time limited. You have 10 minutes on the bridge, 15 minutes then on the top, and so it's all very rush, and the price is the same, so it's 20 euros both.
It is basically one ticket there that you buy, and you get all these things together, and it's almost a little bit like, let's say, a tour, because you have these people who guide you and then say like 10 minutes here, so the bridge 10 minutes, like Frederica said. Then after that you get the actual nice view, which is the observation deck, 15 minutes, but it's not a lot of time because there's like quite some things to look at. There's so much information up there, like also like models and like some videos running if you're interested in that, and there's just not enough time to get all this input in that short time frame. From the KL Tower you have the perfect view in the Petronas Tower, the skyline there as well, and opposite all of that you also have the Merdeka 118, which is the 2nd highest tower in the world right now. So like a really tall building, you can tell it's humongous.
Yeah, we're looking at it.
So that one you can also see perfectly from here. That's a big plus, right? Like just the skyline itself. But also here you do have a 360 view, which is completely open on the sky deck.
And that's very cool, because the big difference is with on the Petronas Towers, actually the viewing platform is rather small. That's why they do these small groups, and you have to move fast onwards to the next one, because they can't hold that many people. So that's why it's also, I assume, time bound.
It is smaller, we think. In our opinion, we've been, for example, on the Shanghai Tower, the Taipei Tower, and all those have a way bigger viewing platform. That one is quite narrow, and also let's say the glass is not optimal the way it's done, just by the design of it, right? Like the design makes it not perfect, in our opinion, for observation, let's say.
So in our opinion, if you would like to do it, it's more something like you want to scratch it off your list. Like you could say you've been on the Petronas Towers.
That you can say you did the most famous landmark or site, let's say, in all of even Malaysia, you could say, right? Kuala Lumpur, the Petronas Towers is like the one site. So,
but we enjoyed actually the view more from just downstairs, from near the entrance. There's like a photo spot, you'll see it. Everybody's standing there for selfies, or from the park, the KLCC park, like we said.
You can take such nice pictures from the towers itself, just around it everywhere. Like Frederica said, you can choose your own view that you want from it, and you just take a picture from there. Yeah.
I enjoy that way more. So if I have to pick between the two towers, I would take the KL tower because you can see it. It's way cooler.
It's also higher.
Yeah.
Like it's higher, so there's like some better views here, definitely.
And to round it up, actually our favorite view is the one from the rooftop from our apartment block from the pool. So actually, if you want to get one view, just book the same apartment as we did, I guess.
We do have a pool on the top floor, which is the 52nd floor, and we're already searching for it. And it is the highest building in the vicinity, like in the close vicinity. So that's why it also has the best view, we have to say. So yeah,
we found it.